Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your data. Immediately save a copy to a new name or folder so nothing is lost. Next, check co-authoring and sync status in OneDrive or SharePoint. Make sure the file isn't mid-sync. Then, inspect Excel's file info for protection or locking info, and open Task Manager to spot any stray Excel. EXE processes. Once done, end only the processes you started. This avoids killing unrelated sessions and prevents corruption. Now you're ready for deeper fixes. Now you disconnect active handles. Open Computer Management, go to Shared Folders, then Open Files, and close the file handle that's locking the workbook. If that's not available, delete the temp lock file that begins with $, located in the same folder. That often releases the lock. If the file is on a mapped drive, disconnect and reconnect the drive, or force a network session logoff. Make sure to inform collaborators before forcing remote closures so you don't interrupt important work. Finish by opening the workbook read-only and immediately copying content into a fresh workbook. This preserves data without triggering the lock. If that fails, revert to the copy you saved earlier or run Excel's Recover Unsaved Workbooks option. As a last resort, reboot the host or server where the file resides, then recheck NTFS or SharePoint permissions to ensure your account can write. Troubleshooting tip. If locks persist after reboot, verify antivirus or backup software isn't scanning the file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.